Hey everyone, Mailbag Monday, and got a whole bunch of stuff from a bunch of different places, so let's open them up. Some of them obviously you can see. Went to the dollar store, and I find some pretty useful stuff. There. Got some Velcro, not the same. Last time I was at the dollar store, got like Velcro self-adhesive strips. Both sides, and I get these for my SX24 to attach the body to the chassis, a 3D printed mount. Put some a strip on there, and it works really well. You know, you can open the body up and switch the battery, the whole thing. Ran out of them, so got some. Hopefully these will be just as sticky as the other brand that I got. Can't really beat it for $1, especially that little small section. That's all you need. Got these craft clamps. I got these for if I need to hold something while I'm painting or soldering, or if I do anything with styrene. I can use these for whatever I want. Once again, I think these were $1. Really can't beat it. I got these, I forgot what they're called, green sticks or like nail files. Look at this, like, I don't know if you can see that, just stacks of them. Different grit for if I start any body work with styrene, or need to file a 3D printed body part, whatever. I saw a tip somewhere on YouTube for RC stuff that these work good. Got more Velcro, but I got this at Target for $3 before I got a chance to go to the dollar store. So once again, SEX24 stuff. Possibly, I think I might use heavier duty stuff, or if I start using Velcro on 10th scale. And this is also got this this clamp at the dollar store. I've been looking at these at AliExpress, and I think they're like $4, so really can't beat it for $3 at the dollar store and not wait a month for it. This is what I'm going to use to film these right now. I'm filming these videos. Right now I'm filming it with a bendable barbecue light over my workbench and just resting my phone on there. I think this might be handy for just clamping it around my workbench and maybe getting some other shots than constantly the video being shot down at my hands. And then I'm waiting on another clamp from AliExpress that has like a I don't know what they call it, like a 1/4 inch threaded hole to hold my phone. I'm gonna try to mount that on my controller, my RC remotes, to get some running shots, and potentially might get a gimbal in the future. Been looking at those on Amazon and AliExpress. Also went to my local hobby town today. I got some RC 4-wheel drive black stamped steel beadlocks. It comes with a tool. Can't beat it. $25 for 4 of them with a nut driver that will fit the right size. All black. Wasn't really happy with my 3D printed beadlocks. They just weren't holding onto the bead very well, and so these will definitely do the trick, and it will add weight down low. They got some heft to them. I was thinking about getting the trio beadlocks. They're a little bit more expensive. I think they're $40. And I think one of the trio versions comes with a brass ring, but might do that in the future. But I know a lot of the brass rings will just press fit into these. So this type or the trio, some of the other brands. So wanted to use the difference between the Trio and the RC four-wheel drive, so I went with the cheaper one on other products. So looking forward to that with my SCX24. And I got the FMS, the Atlas body for $8. It's a, I don't know if you can see that, there we go. It is the like a Power Wagon body, just the cab. I will see, do my homework and see if this will fit on the SCX24. If I can 3D print them out, whatever I have to do. I don't know if it's too wide, but if it doesn't fit, I might put this on a WPL truck in the future if I ever get one. I'm looking to get one in the future to review and just compare against an SCX24. Those look like a lot of fun to tinker with and 3D print and add different motors and that kind of stuff too. And they're cheap, so that might work on either truck. So can't really beat it for $8 compared to the Pro line. I think their Power Wagon body, I think it was like $27 for the cab and the bed. And so yeah, $8, worth a shot. And then I got two things from Amazon. So let's see what those are. Okay. It says, don't know what it is. Try not to cut into anything. Wow, super padded. Okay, you're gonna get cut open here. Hopefully I don't. There we go. Oh yeah, these are 5-pack of potentiometers, and I think these are. I ordered 2 different packs of potentiometers. I think this is the 500K one, 5 pieces for $6 or $7. I'll put the price and stuff like you usually do right here in the video. I got those on Amazon. I did the comparison, and I bought also, I think the other ones are in here. They're 200K potentiometers, another 5-pack of them for about the same price. I did the comparison to get those on AliExpress, and the 200K were pretty expensive. I want to say like $3 each. Got the wrong ones for my son's power supply projects, and it just wasn't adjusting the volts and the amps correctly. And I looked at the schematics again, and I totally ordered the wrong potentiometers. I ordered 10K potentiometers. So hopefully we'll get that fixed. Really close to finishing it though. And I think he burned out the board. So on this order, I ordered something similar to the boards that we initially ordered for him. I think he just shorted out when he was trying to attach one of the potentiometers. So I ordered a 5-pack for the same price as the other board of these little guys. They got their adjustable voltage and amperage on these little pots right here. You can input a static voltage, output adjustable voltage and amperage, and they're significantly smaller. I got like a 5-pack for probably $12 on Amazon. And the other board that I listed on a previous mailbag was like $10 to $12 just for the one board. and it kind of hits around the same. I think these put out less amperage, so we will try to desolder these. Two of these pots, I'll have to figure out which ones, and then solder on the potentiometers so we can adjust those, put them in a nice box with the screen, the whole bit. So also I can make my own little small power supply too, for other projects, even though I have one right here off camera, but I use that primarily for my ham radio, and it only goes up to like 14 volts, where this will go up to, I want to say 36. So little different application there. So let's open up the last one, and then we will be done. I think these are the 200K. So just ordering these off Amazon compared to AliExpress, it was a wash, just basically because of these guys right here. The 4 pieces, I think these are the 200K. Like I said, on AliExpress, these are $3 a piece. And I got these 4 for less than $7. And I got these for like $7 also, but on AliExpress I can get these easily for $5 for, I want to say like $2. So yeah, it was kind of a wash. I got them faster if I did the math right. Just off the top of my head, I want to say yes. So yeah, quite a haul, different projects. I know this isn't really RC related once again, but can always be just for lights and motors and the whole bit. But looking forward to messing around with my SX24 paints and different things, different projects, future projects. So yeah, thanks for watching once again. Like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon.